Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today we've got an unpackaging. The unboxing happened last night on Sit and Spin. We opened this up, but I thought it was worth an unboxing before I get into doing a review on it. And first off, I just want to say thank you to all the channel members, and thank you to everyone who subscribes to this channel, and thank you to anyone who comes in to just watch my knife, my EDC, flashlight content, any content. I just appreciate it. I'm glad you're here. You're welcome anytime, and thank you. So what I have here that was sent to me to check out is this FlexTail Zero Flash 1200. I had heard about this through my email, had never heard of the brand before, and had never, just thought it was another light, right? Which it is, but it's kind of really cool. So I was just going to show you kind of how it comes. So it comes in this box with actually two parts. You've got a light and you've got this little fidgety thing here. And you've got a lanyard, you've got some instructions, you've got a USB-C charging cable that I have already got plugged in because I charged it out of the gate. And it's just packaged, really nice. So for a medium priced light, this light is under 60 bucks, I think, maybe under 70, but it is a super lightweight little flashlight. This is the flashlight. This is the EDC case slash fidget attachment, which really it's just a hard aluminum alloy case, but the little light itself is super light. So if you were going to use this like on the cap that I'm wearing, or you were just going to use it for light urban EDC carry, it's like 1.7 ounces. If you put it in its little drop resistant armor case, it's 3.3 ounces. So you've got those two choices there. You've got just a really bright, multifunction little EDC light that you can either charge here on the side, or you can unscrew, take out the battery, put it in a charger, and it's even got a port on the side of the battery. You've got your on, off, and your function button. So you push this twice, and it comes on. And then you can step through the different modes. Low, medium, high, low. Let's see. So that is moonlight mode, low, medium, high, off. And then you've got this secondary button here. So once you turn it on, you hit the secondary button and it goes to a super bright mode that lasts for just a short while. Push it again. Whoops. You get this like strobe mode. That's kind of strobe warning. And then you get this SOS. So if you put this on your hat or set this by your campsite, it's just tapping out SOS. And then you've got the bright mode again, which only lasts for as long as you've got battery. So you've got two functions. You've got your primary function here, which is just your little lamp that you can step through your different brightnesses with. Moonlight, low, medium, high, off. And then you've got this case. Now this case is really cool in my opinion because it feels very solid, very substantial. It's metal, aluminum. And this actually locks in the case. So now I've got a little EDC flashlight that's going to withstand drops. It's not going to be as fragile as it was, nor as light. But I do the same thing. Push my button twice, turns it on, low, medium, high. If I want to switch down to my function buttons. I've got my super bright mode, my strobe mode, and my SOS mode. And that's magnetic, so that holds on. You can see it pops off there, but they're magnets. It's a magnetic slider. So kind of fidgety in a way, but that's not why you'd buy the light. I mean, the light's not coming off. It sticks very, very well. So you got that magnetic little slider there, or you never have to open it unless you're going to use that special feature. So double click on, double click off, go down here to my special features. I've got super bright mode, I've got strobe mode, which I won't do again, and then SOS mode. But the main features you're going to use are right here on the front of the light, and that's just your main brightnesses. And it does have a memory function. So if we leave it on, leave it on high for a while, turn it off, it should come back on high, and it does. So it does remember the last lit function. Cool little light. I did have the lanyard on it. It's got a little place. Where did I mount my lanyard? I know where I did. I mounted my lanyard right here. Apologize for my bloody thumb. It's almost healed up. Let's get the lanyard in this little tube, like so. And then we will put our lanyard through the strap, or we will attempt to. That is our plan, whether we succeed or not. Alright, so then we've got our little wrist lanyard, and I can drop this down through the body of the, and then I've got that. So I've now got a little EDC light set up with a little skeleton on it. Cool, guys. So what I'll do is I'll check it out, let you know if I think it's a cool gear accessory or a gimmick. So far, I think it's a pretty cool gear accessory because I've used it on my hat. This is super, super light, and it's probably pretty sturdy. And then if you want something that's a little bit more rugged, a little bit more hiking friendly, you've got this little EDC skeleton, as they call it, that locks right in place. So guys, that is the FlexTail Zero Flash 1200. And I will let you guys know what I think. This is just an unboxing, kind of re-unboxing, because I unboxed it live and I thought it was really cool, so I want to share it with you guys. Guys, have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, whenever you watch this. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, hit the subscribe button, but most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.